So what's up guys, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and in this class we will be learning about the boolean function and comparisons. So how we can compare the values, and it's like dealing with the greater than, less than sign, equal to sign. Okay, so these are the kind of operators that we will be dealing in this particular tutorial. So first of all, I will show you how to work with the boolean. So I will declare one variable. I will say variable a, and now I will make use of the boolean function over here. Okay, so I will say boolean, and now I will give some value. I will say 10 is greater than 20. Okay, so when I make use of the boolean function, it just returns the true or false value. Currently 10 is not greater than 20. Okay, so 10 is small, so this is not true. And now if suppose I am giving the alert, and now if suppose I am giving the alert of a, I will save this. I will come to my desktop and execute this file. It is saying false. Okay, it is giving false because this condition is not true. 10 is not greater than 20. So this is the function of the boolean. It just gives two values, true or false. And now if I'm saying 30 is actually greater than 20, now I should be getting value as true. Okay, so this is how this boolean function works. Okay, so now let me just come down below, and I will now declare one variable. I will say variable a, and I will say variable a is equal to 0, and after that I will find the boolean of this variable a. And okay, so now let me just do one thing. I will just remove this, and now suppose I want to find the boolean of number 0, then I will say variable b is equal to boolean of 0. And let me just give the alert. I will say alert b. I will save this, and I'll come over here and refresh. So as can be seen, it is giving false. Okay, so boolean value of number 0 is false, and if you are looking at boolean value of 1, boolean value of 1 will be true. Okay, let me just refresh it. Okay, so as I said earlier, boolean gives only two values, true or false, and all the numbers less than 0 will be giving the value as false. And okay, so now let me just say -2 over here. I will save this. I'll come over here and I'll refresh. It is saying true. Now let me just give 20. Let me just refresh. It is getting true. Okay guys, sorry to say, but I have made mistake over here. Only the boolean value of 0 will be false, and boolean value of all the other numbers will be true. Okay, and now suppose I am giving a boolean value of -1, which actually makes no sense, but let me just refresh it and show you. It is giving the false value. Okay, so when it comes to the 0, only 0 has the false value, and all the other numbers will have the positive value or true value. Okay, so now let me just comment out this code. Now we will be looking at comparison operators, and the first operator that we will be looking at is equal to operator. So if suppose I am saying something like 2 is equal to 3, this is false, because when it comes to the maths and when it comes to the programming, signs are a little bit different. Okay, so now if, suppose I am saying 2 is exactly this is 2 equal to 3. This means this will give me the false value, because 2 is not equal to 3. But if I am saying something like 3 is equal to 3, then this is the true condition, because 3 is exactly equal to 3. And if suppose I am saying a, if a is exactly equal to a, this is true. But if I am saying something like this is false. Okay, so this is the comparison operators. Now let me just show you how this is actually working. I will declare one variable a. I will say variable a is equal to 10, and I will declare a variable b over here, and variable b is having value as 20, and I will declare variable c, and variable c will have the value as 10. Okay, so now I will check whether these conditions are true or not, and in order to check I will make use of the if, and I will say if a is greater than b, if this is greater than b, then I want it to perform some function. I will say alert a is greater. Okay, and if I'm just saving this, executing the code, my code is this one. It can be seen I'm not getting any output. I'm not getting output because a is not greater than b. Okay, so 10 is not greater than 20, but if suppose I am changing the value of a to something like 30, now it will check if the 30 is greater than 20. Yes, it is greater than 30 is greater than 20. Now I will get this alert over here on my page. Okay, so it says this a is greater. Okay, so this is how these conditions are working. Now let me just show you one more condition. I will copy this same code. I will paste this down below, and let me just comment out this part, and now I will make use of the less than sign. Okay, so now this will check if the a is less than b. Currently my a is 30, and b is 20, and c is 10. Okay, so now let me just put c value over here. I will say c, and if it says if the c is greater, if c is smaller than b, c value is 10, and the c is smaller than b, b value is 20, it will say c is smaller than b over here. Okay, I will save this. I'll come over here and refresh, and it says c is smaller than b. Okay, so this is how we can compare, and now if I'm just copying this code, and let me just show you one more way, and now I have to check. Okay, so currently let me just give the value of a as 10 as a as 10 and c as 10. Now I will change my condition. I will check whether a is exactly equal to c. First of all, let me just put this over here, and if I'm just saving this, currently a and c values are same, so I will get the output as they are same. I will save this. I'll come over here and I'll refresh. I'm getting value as they are same. If suppose this condition fails, okay, so if they are not same, then I will make use of the else part. Okay, so I will say else give me alert they are not same. So basically this is the concept of if and else loop. So what will happen is first it will check whether a and b are same. If both of them are same, then this scope will be executed. Okay, so after that, whatever that is there, this will be executed. I will get this alert, and if this condition is satisfied, this first sentence will be executed. If this condition is not satisfied, this second condition will be executed. Okay, so currently a and c are same, which is both are having the 10 values. Now I will come and refresh over here. I'm getting they are same. Now if suppose I am changing this condition, okay, so now if suppose I'm putting b over here. Now currently a and b are not same. B and c are not same. B is having 20 and the c is having 10 value. So these are not same. If this condition is satisfied only, then this first scope will be getting executed, but currently b and c are having different parts. That means this condition is failing, and because of which else part will be getting executed, and I will get the output as they are not same. I will come over here and refresh, and I'm getting the output as they are not same. Okay, so this is how this condition is working. And now let me just copy this. I'll come over here down below and I will paste it over here, and let me just comment out these alerts, and my next condition is not equal to. Okay, so not equal to. Now this will check. Okay, so it will check whether b is not equal to c. B value is 20 and c value is 10. Okay, so b is not equal to 10, and since this condition has been satisfied, this part will be getting executed, and I will say they are not equal. Okay, so they are not equal to one another. Otherwise I will say they are equal over here. I will save this, I will come over here and refresh, and I'm getting they are not equal. Okay, so b is not equal to c, and because of which this condition is failing, and this alert will not be getting executed. Instead this alert will be getting executed. If suppose if my if suppose I'm putting a over here and saving this, I'll come over here and refresh. They are equal. Okay, so I'm getting the output as they are equal because a and c both are having same values. That means this condition check if whether a is not equal to c, but over here a is equal to c, but because of which this else part will be getting executed because this condition fails. Okay, so if this condition is getting successfully executed, then only this if part will be getting executed. If this condition fails, then this else part will be getting executed, and because of which I'm getting the output as they are equal. And next is not equal to, and now let me just copy this. I'll come over here and I will paste this. I will comment out these comments, and next is this condition. Okay, not equal to. If suppose I am having this different types, and okay, so when I put something inside of the double quotes, that means they are it is a string. Okay, so when I give the a equal to 10, this is the numeric value. A is taking or saving this as a numeric value, but when I say variable c, I'm assigning 10 to variable c in inside of the double quotes. This will be taken as a string. Okay, and now if I'm saying if a is not equal to c, uh, this is actually checking out the value as well as the type. Okay, so now this variable c is of type string and variable a is of type numeric number. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing this, it is saying they are not equal. They are not equal because a is of type integer and the c is of type string, and because of which they are not equal. And now let me just copy this very same code over here and paste this down below. I will comment out these alerts, and now if suppose I'm making use of these three dashes, these three dashes checks for whether this both the variables are same, and when I say 3 equals to, this will check whether values are also same and the types are also same. Currently a is equal to c because a is having value as 10 and c is value if the condition was something like this, then this condition was true because a and c are true because a is having value as 10 and c is having value as 10, and this condition is satisfied, and because of which I will get the value as they are uh, equal. Okay, they are equal. I should be getting this as output. I will come over here and refresh. They are equal because a and c are equal, but if I'm giving this triple equal sign, then this will say they are condition 1, and I will say this is as a condition 2. Okay, so now I'm checking whether a is equal to c. Currently a is having value as 10 and c is having value as 10. Both of them are same, but type of variable a is integer and type of variable c is of string. Okay, so their type is not equal, and because of which this condition 1 will be getting as a output. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, I'm getting condition 2. Let's see why. Okay, so I'm getting this as output because both of them are not same. A is having value as 10 and B is having C is having value as 10 of type string. Both of them are failing, and because of this this other condition is getting executed. But if suppose I am giving value something as 10 over here and saving this and executing, then I should be getting the condition 1. Okay, so now I'm getting the value as condition 1 because this condition is satisfied. Only when the condition, this condition inside of this parenthesis is satisfied, then only this first condition will be getting executed, otherwise next condition will be getting executed. Okay, so now I will copy this. I'll come down below, I will paste this, I will comment out this code, and very same way there are lot many other conditions like less than equal to, greater than equal to. So these are some of the other conditions which we will see in the future classes. I think this is enough for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.